Hello everyone. Today I will talk about blockchain applications. Okay. So first in and where the use of blockchain. First in finance. Okay. Second in gaming. Third in administration. Fourth in health institutions. Okay. So let's take first example in finance. Let's suppose this one is a farm field. This one is a farm field with completely sensorized means it's captured means it captures soil and moisture and the weather condition, etc. And this one is a smart contract written on some ecosystem like Solana. Okay, so here in contract, the contract we have, if the moisture or some bad condition happening, then the government will fund to the farmers and fund to the farmers for subsidies and some financial so that the farmer will survive. Okay. So let's suppose at some times here the bad condition. Okay. So it will completely detect detect in a smart contract and send to the send send to the money to the farmers and subsidies. Okay, so we have a doubt. So you have a doubt that why we don't use AI for that? AI for that? Why we use IoT, IoT and IoT and blockchain? That's your question. Okay, so let's clear this. Let's suppose you know that AI work on a server side. In blockchain is a work on a distributed system. Okay. Let's suppose in some organization who control the AI, if he want to he wants some money, he wants some uh, this money where the you have some losses, so that he will change the logic. He 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 should change the logic if he want to store some money. Means basically you know that in a blockchain, if you write the contract if you once you write the contract, then it will not change by someone else. It is impossible to update the data. Okay, so that's why we use blockchain ecosystem for some smart contracts and some in judiciary we use a smart contract in bond paper. Okay, so that is the example of blockchain application. Means if the bad condition happen, bad weather condition happen, then the smart contract will detect by IoT sensors and it will directly send to some money tokens so that we can buy them subsidies or uh, survive and survive also. Okay. Again, we have a administration. In administration, we already take example of judicial administration. Again, we have a health institute. Health institute. So here in health institute, if health institute or the health institute, sorry, sorry, sorry.